She a wine.
Said a girl let run.
Eh. I know bearings. So that $1,000 me pay for take out mine with the couple.
I spend this pen up in the dog.
Eh.
Spend this pen up. Go on.
Come on. No.
Look at that.
Yeah, gee.
Oh, look at that.
Yo, you full of the patrol of the rim there. You full of the patrol of the rim. You full of the patrol of the rim, so.
You must say, if I saw you lick patrol, I say yes, you know.
No, when I say the patrol when you lick them in the rim. It's not a patrol. You know, so I run me just run out in a car and the back wheel there, no?
Oh.
Yeah, from the crash. The bike wheel there, no? A brand new rim. And the crash, and that's the wheel there, no?
Oh shit.
I mean, not even know how it's been up, to be honest. I pressure, man.
Yeah.
Pressure. Yeah,
So look how Jack's front one D Ben.
just twist it by stuff, you see me? I twist it. I pressure when jump with it, I twist it, yeah, twist. Now my next one, I'm dropping a patrol and they try and drop it, but in the way they don't wobble up like this, you see me?
Oh.
You can't see it, that's the little.
Yeah man, that can deal with brother.
That costs about $2,000.
Yeah.
I have to have the machine to put it in, I spin it too. I put the man about.
Them have that brother. So no, Mark, I thought
I don't know it's bad with it. Walter.
you want place
Rim Genie.
No! Rim Genie cost too much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and a Rim Genie me go. Cause a 7.5, I think a 7.5 for a rim or 7. Yeah.
You see me?
Bomba. Don't so yeah go. Can't wear it for now. Put on the thing man brother.
Yeah?
Put on the thing man. At least you know.
Nah man, me nah put back this back here.
Shit.
Yeah man, excel it up next
Me know the full face one.
Yeah.
Shit.
Fly, the thing flying like that.
So you never buckle down?
Yeah.
Bomba. Shit.
Yeah, sure. Me stay follow him and and the man still run over it. Hi everybody, run over it, you know. Yeah, boy, run over it, it's fine, dog.
Blood seed. Bomba. Kickstand.
I saw me there in a paradise. Don't run over it, don't run over it.
Left side. Do no black mean my brother. Sell it. Sell it to me, man. Of course, brother. Of course, that's why I tell you first gear. You feel like I clutch. One. Like I clutch, man. Then when we do broke the stoplight. I know 2:30 yet, now about 3:30 now. Or 4 o'clock. You don't realize I buy gravel full.
Oh no! Bye, have a great time.
That's so. Shall we travel? Watch out now, ratted one. No, I'm gonna catch them. There's the boy up on the inside. I'm mad, man. On the corner, yeah, I don't want. Oh God. I kill myself for a week. Every day of the week me dead. Every day of the week me kill myself. Right, the man come out and jump straight like cat. Like me say, the man engine ever clean. Jaja. Eh? You buzz me? Brother, sometimes I have so many messages from that shit. Where your name? Where your name, Pang? Official what? Nah. Just a come in from the streets, a mad boy draw me out, come here ride the bike slow. See him there?
Oh, Indian, what you doing?
Boy draw me out and make me do some frig great. Can't follow him, man. Yeah, G.
Indian, man, make him man Ray, no man.
Nah, Ray, man.
Soft, man. No, so good guy, man.
Hey, you see Connor who take down, so?
Yeah, they
After we pass the truck, them man come up. Me say I grung my foot there, no?
16 another one,
the man bike just clean, brother. I just love how the man bike just always clean. What? Me follow you. What are the Godfather? Yeah, exactly. T-shirt, you know. Come down, mama. That's the girl, the man, no man, and stop, cuz. Yeah, that me I tell you. There's something not right with it. Well, you can't give man blind. Give man some blind, man. Give man. I mean, I don't want to give blind now. Oh, they're rolling out now. place was?
Yeah.